Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And in the recent tutorials we finished number 1, we finished number 2, so we are going on number 3. As you can see, they are telling you to write a C program to determine whether a person is allowed to vote. And in this program you ask for the names, the current year and birth. So that's where the logic will be rotating from. That's when you'll be able to process his or her age and see if the person is allowed to vote. So I was employed by this government and they told me, hey, Austin Code Cipher, please make us a system that will enable us determine whether a person is allowed to vote or not. So I also went ahead and designed it. So make sure you watch this video until the end. We are going to be using code blocks. I'm going to open up this program. These are the recent programs we are running. So, and I don't need them at this time. I'm going to close it. I want to open a brand new file. Guys, look at that. Make sure you go and look for these previous videos. I have posted them already. Also the first one. We shall also be looking at number 4 in the next tutorial. Hey, as this program is taking too long to load, it's open. So what you have to do, click here on create new project, console application, press go, click next. Make sure you select C because we are writing a program in C. So give it a name. I will call it voters system. I'll click next. Make sure you have that compiler and finish. So on the left hand side where you see the mouse, click source, double click the main.c, and this is where our magic is going to rotate from. This is the basic structure. Remember, we said you have to ask the user the names, the current year and birth year. So what are processed in this? Remember, when we process this we must produce age. So go right here, declare age. Since age is an integer, current year is an integer, and birth year is an integer. So those are, I have made them short, current year, birth year, so don't get confused. I'll declare also the char or car, and this is when we are asking for the names. They have said ask the names. So first name, comma, last name. I guess that's it. In our, we are declaring or initializing our code. So we go ahead and print. So since I was asked by this government of Uganda to develop it, that's their title, Uganda's Voters System 2017 to 2020. So what I will do, I'll say printf %d, say enter first name, enter first name, comma, we scan F, so we make sure you capture what the user has entered, %s, since it's a character it will be a string, and I'll say ampersand F name. So to don't waste time, I'm going to copy this, or you go to edit, copy, go to edit, paste. So here I will say enter last name, and this will be L name. Again, should not confuse, guys, I'm just trying to save some time. So here the next step, we shall ask for the user, printf, and enter the current year, so the user will be asked to enter the current year. You capture it, percentage to be %d, comma, cy, we are capturing this, the current year, and I'm just going to copy again the same. Here we shall say enter the birth year, the year the person was born, enter the birth year, and we shall make this by. So this is where we are going to process age. This age you're seeing, this is the next step. We shall say age equals current year minus birth year. And what I'm trying to mean here, it's like when you're trying to determine your age, you get the current year you're in and the year you were born. So let me try to show it to you on the Calic. Oh, it's taking too long to load. What's wrong? So let's say we're in 2017 right now. 2017 minus 1996. This is when I was born. So when I process it, they will say I'm 21 years old. That's how old I am. I'm so old, man. So what we are going to do, we are going to now open up the decision, and we say if age is great or equal to 18, we shall say printf we shall say name percentage m is %s and we give the status legible. Legible to vote. So here we call the first name, lower cases, comma, so here we're saying if the person is having age greater than 18 or equal to 18, they will print out this that the person is eligible to vote. And where you see %S, this is where the first name will sit here and the second name will go ahead and sit here. So I'll put another condition. I'm just going to copy this. And also go there. So you know the opposite of legible is ill or not allowed to vote. That's the opposite. Legible. So I guess that's the magic in our program. What we have to do is to first compile it or build it. You come to this place when you're using code blocks. It's compiling. Let's wait and see. Oh, as you're seeing, we're having 0 errors, 8 warnings. Where are the warnings coming from? Whoa, we have to put this ampersand sign. Ampersand signs. So I'm going to try to build it again and see. Again, we're having the same thing. Whoa, what's wrong with this program? Warnings, %S, what's wrong with it? So %D, argument type char. Whoa, we have to assign some arrays here. Like a name should be in this range of 20, the first name, let's say, and the second name 13. Let me first reduce this one. So I guess there's nobody with a name occupying such. So we are going to compile again and see. Still we have 2 warnings. Why are we having 2 warnings? First name, last name. Scan F. Hey guys, so we compile our program. After compiling it, we go ahead and run, build and run. They'll ask you enter first name. I'll say Austin. They tell you to enter your last name, code, and they will tell you to enter the current year and the birth year, 1996, and they will print out name, Austin code, age 21, status eligible to vote. So you are allowed to be voting. So let me try to question some of you. Hey subscriber, what's your name? YouTube. Your second name? Team. Which year are we in? 2017. When we were born? 1900. Press enter and they tell you name, YouTube team, age 117, eligible to vote. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe on my channel. Bye bye.